Hey guys, welcome back to David's tutorial. Today I'm going to show you how to buy Labubu dolls in the Popmart app.
First, open the Popmart app. If you don't have it yet, just download it from the App Store or Google Play and create an account. That part's quick. Once you're in, tap on the Shop tab at the bottom. You'll see different categories, so just search or scroll until you find Labubu. You can also type Labubu in the search bar to see all the current series available. Now, Popmart mainly sells blind boxes, meaning you don't know which figure you'll get until it arrives. If you're okay with the surprise, just choose a box you like and tap Buy Now. If you're looking for a specific figure, click on the To Unbox tab. Here, some users sell open box figures where you can choose exactly which Labubu you want. After that, you go ahead and add to cart, then check out. Just make sure to double check your shipping address and payment method. You can use GCash, cards, or PayPal. And that's it. Once your order is confirmed, you can track it in the orders section. That's all for now. Thanks for watching David's tutorials.